Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make smoothies for sale. First, understand local regulations for food businesses, including health permits. Next, select reliable equipment like commercial blenders and proper cold storage. Finally, craft delicious and distinctive smoothie recipes using high-quality, fresh produce to attract customers and ensure repeat business. Sourcing top-notch ingredients is crucial for great smoothies. Find local suppliers for fresh fruits and vegetables to ensure quality. Develop a varied menu, offering classic favorites and unique blends to cater to different tastes. Remember to standardize your recipes, ensuring every smoothie tastes consistently amazing and portions are accurate. Presentation matters just as much as taste. Select appealing and sustainable packaging, like recyclable cups and lids. Develop a strong brand identity with a catchy logo and consistent visual theme. Offer different sizes, perhaps a 12-ounce option and a larger 16-ounce, to meet diverse customer needs and preferences effectively. Setting the right price is key for profitability. Carefully calculate all ingredient and overhead costs to ensure your smoothies are priced competitively, yet profitably. Utilize social media platforms to display your vibrant smoothie creations and engage with potential customers. Consider offering loyalty programs or special promotions to build a dedicated customer base.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.